May mana sila kay hayahay na agoy abroad. Ay baligyong haya-haya kaayo. Ginapulot ra gid ang kwarta diri. Mang-harvest na lang gyud kas kwarta, imuhang ipadala sa Pilipinas, pwede manigram ug asa ba dali ra gyud kaayo. Ibisag i-GCash pa ta mo karon dayon. Munang kamo, pang-abroad mo kay balig yung haya-haya, puluton ra gyud ang kwarta sa abroad. Unsa pa may inyong ginahulat mga abroad na tatanan? Daghang salamat. Thank you for sa mga views. Daghan kay views tong about sa work, and I did not expect that it will have a lot of views like that. But balik na sa Bisaya nato nga vlog no about sa trabaho. I think that we have to be open-minded. Dili lang sa trabaho but in our relationships, like how we respect other people's beliefs and mag-adjust pud ta sa atong mga kauban. Sometimes no, if close-minded ta, we don't have room for growth, and we have to have room for growth. Bisan pag kita na'y pinakadugay ana nga company or pinakabag-o, we learn from each other. Sa amo sa MAPE by Dr. Bernaldez, we have this beauty in diversity. And diversity means not only people but also the capabilities and also the talents that we have. When we work on it together, we produce something that's beautiful. And when I was younger sa DepEd, daghang isugo na ko ang kanang mga tenured na, and I'm very open to it because we learn wisdom from them. And if you're young, you need that wisdom. And ikaw nga batan-on, ang mahatag nimo sa mga tenured na is your skills, especially with technology. So when we know that we're open to receiving new ideas, maayo siya nga process, and ayaw jud mo kahadlok nga magsugod sa uno. There's no fear in starting over again and learning new things because it widens our perspective and we become a better employee and a better individual as well. As well. As well. Itang tao no usahay mag-base ang ato ang respeto depende kung unsa ang achievement or naabot or kwarta sa tao. Mura bag dili patas ang atong treatment, and I think we have to reflect on that. We have to have the same respect for everyone. This is coming from someone nga daghan na kay kong naagi ang trabaho and I was treated differently depending kung unsay akong work. And dili siya magbase dapat kung unsay success sa tao, no? Kay maghuna-huna man taon sa may makuha na ko ani. But instead, ang atong huna-huna, unsay mahatag nato sa ubang tao. It could be good treatment, dili man kinahanglan gifts and money, but the respect and kindness, it's free. Libre ra gyud ang pagkamaayo. Muli kay tag musingka tag tao kay tanang tao no naning kamot ra gyud na sila for themselves and for their family. And the best thing we can do is just be kind to each other so we can have a better world, no? Mas naatay world peace when we're kinder and we treat each other with the same respect. Pareha ra gud anang sa event sa family, murag sige natong i-VIP ang daghang kwarta. Muna ako mas ganahan pa ko ang tao wala kaila sa ako og sa akong experience kay diha na ko mabaw-an kung unsaon ko nila pag-treat, unsa ay ilang respeto sa ako. So balik ta anang sa mga event sa family no, VIP gyud tong daghang na-achieve. Naa sila'y maayong bangko, maayong table, ipagawas jud tong mga maayong plato. But we forget to recognize ang pamilya nato nga walay kwarta batua didto nitabang og panghugas, nitabang og luto, nitabang og bantay atong family member nga nasa ospital katong naay na ospital. Let's recognize those people nga dili lang kwarta ang gihatag, but the presence and just the care that they give for you. So let's treat each other with the same respect and recognize the kindness that everyone gives to us. Malon to ako reminder, magbisaya ta kay para makalitok ta kay mo na atong mother tongue. Kapoy biya skik in English. Most of you will agree to this. The most important conversation we could ever have is the one within ourselves. And it's not an easy process. We have to work on it every day. And I don't know why our brain is wired to sabotage ourselves. Not in a good way sometimes. Sometimes we put ourselves on a high standard. Like, if we cannot achieve some things, we blame ourselves. But
With other people, we are kinder. I think we are innately kinder to other people, but not within ourselves. And I don't know why our brain works like that. And it's such an important process for us to be kinder and be more gentle, especially with all the experiences we had through this life. So I believe you have to reward yourself and, of course, celebrate small achievements, small wins. That's how we can help ourselves to be more happier, to be more kinder. And always remember that even though we cannot please everyone, the most important applause, the loudest cheer, should be something that comes from us and within us and for us. So that is a beautiful reminder for you to be kinder and be more gentle to yourself. Have a great day.